Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is August the 5th. I would ask you all to mute yourselves until I call on you. I will be calling attorneys first and let them start working with whatever they have to do. As far as conferring, today we have a significant docket on jury settings. We will have somebody go to trial on Wednesday. I will guarantee you that. So, attorneys that are present, give me a hand. Show me your hand on the screen. You know what I'm talking about? There's number 1, Rick Ramos Jr. Case number.
Oh, case number, Judge. Let me pull that up for you. His name is Brandon Reyna, Judge. He is present.
Case number 644-664.
644. 664. Brandon Reyna is present. It's been reset 11 times before.
Yes,
Mr.
Judge.
Ramos, what are you doing today?
I needed to confer with the state, Your Honor. There's some outstanding discovery that's missing on the case. I was just retained and substituted in on this case, Your Honor.
New attorney.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Again, I remind you, this thing's been reset 11 times. I need to see, we need to push it a little bit. There's
Absolutely.
others that are worse. Don't misunderstand me.
Okay,
All right.
attorneys, I'm gonna put y'all in breakout room, but Kenneth Delco is at jail court, so just hold on tight, but I'll start assigning y'all 2 rooms.
Okay, Adam Cobbs.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Doing pretty well. Case number is 661215. Bronze Grant. He has 3 cases, Your Honor.
He's been reset 13 times only. He's set for trial.
Judge, we have resolved this through a PTD, and we have the application. He has it and is going to email it back to me to be turned in. And so it's going to be resolved via PTD.
Very good. Then you haven't submitted it yet, or at least it's
Judge, we haven't. I filled it out yesterday and sent it to him. He's going to fill it out and get it back to me. I hope I have it turned in today.
let's reset it 40 days because it's going to be a while before the dust settles on this.
Okay.
September 29th.
9/29, that's perfect.
All right, Adam. Take care. You're
Thank you, Judge.
excused. Michael
appreciate it.
Belichick.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I have Crystal Sanchez on the last page, and her case number is 671436. And it's a miracle she is on Zoom this morning. She just learned how to use it this morning.
Good morning, Ms. Sanchez. Michael, what are you doing this morning?
If I could confer with the state, she was in jail a long time. She's out now and we need to see what we want to do here.
All right, I've scheduled you for trial.
Yes.
Antonio Jimenez III.
Morning. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Tony. How are you?
The third.
62-61-33. Francisco Lopez.
62-61-33. Francisco Lopez, is he present?
I believe he is, Judge.
Francisco Lopez?
Yes, I am. I'm here.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez.
Good morning, Judge.
Thank you for being here on time. Antonio Jimenez, what are you doing this morning? This is a jury setting, but you've only been reset 4 times versus the high winner is 26 times.
Yes, Judge. Judge, I'm going to announce ready on this case again. And I would like to confer, but I don't have time to confer today. So I will be conferring with the state judge, and we might be able to resolve this case next week.
All right, do we have somebody here from the state?
No, Judge, Kenny is at, jail court right now.
Okay. How in the hell do we do that when we got a jury docket? All right, I'll deal with that later. Mr. Jimenez, you are excused,
Yes, Judge.
and so is Mr. Lopez. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
You're welcome. I'll try. All right, let's see, Zachary Munoz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm appearing for Adam Paltz on Philip Craig. I'm trying to pull that cause number up right now.
623-178.
Say again.
623-178.
I see it. Been reset 13 times. Philip Craig.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Craig. Good morning,
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Thank you.
Okay, this is Adam Paltz. Mr. Munoz, you here for him?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I'm covering for him. He's my law partner. He had another matter this morning. Your Honor, we're actually wanting me to announce ready for trial, subject to some pretrial motions. If we can have, I think he wants a motion to suppress as one of those pretrial motions. If that can be heard prior to trial or not run concurrent, I think that's what he was wanting me to request from you this morning.
Linda, give this a setting for a motion to suppress and give it priority over anyone that's not set for trial.
Okay,
Already?
okay. Can I give you a call, Zachary?
Yes, Ms. Lawrence, that's fine.
Okay, what is the phone number where I can reach you?
Yeah, 512.
Hold on.
Sorry.
512
Yes, ma'am. 734.
734.
Yes. 1394.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. I will call you back.
All right.
Derek Ritchie,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning. Missed you yesterday. Where were you?
Yesterday? Yeah, the client didn't show up, I know. I've got Adam Hernandez today.
Case number.
653-129.
Say again.
653-29.
There it is, top of the page. You're set for jury. Mr. Adam Hernandez, are you present?
He's on Zoom.
I see him.
Yes, Judge, here.
That's fine. Good morning to you both. Mr. Ritchie, what are you doing this morning?
If I can speak to the prosecutor, he tried to call me last night late and I returned the call and couldn't get a hold of him, so.
All right, well, I'm gonna just leave you there. You'll have to wait for a while, or I'll excuse you for an hour, I guess, because Mr. Delco is over in jail court right now.
Yep, I'll hang out in the breakout room.
Sorry, say again.
I'll wait in the breakout room. That's fine.
You're gonna sit there for an hour?
I'll have it in the
Okay,
background.
well, I guess you got other things you can do too. All right, Linda, put him in the breakout room.
Sure, I already did, Judge.
All right. Mike Baird,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Case
I
number.
have Russell Martinez, he's on the first page of your docket.
Supposed to be working from home. What court are you in? You in
626-762.
Say again.
626-762
626-762.
on the first
Russell
page.
Martinez, been reset
Yes, sir.
13 times.
Yes, sir.
Is he present?
Yes, sir.
He is present.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
What are you gonna do on this?
Well, Your Honor, we'd like to confer, and I don't mind waiting as well for the DA to become available. And then ultimately, I think we're going to ask for a reset. Would like to confer first.
No problem. We've got Mr. Delco will be here as quickly as he can. Right now, he's assigned to jail court. They're really short of people there. All right. Mr. Reeves.
Good morning, Judge. I
Good
have
morning. How are you?
Otto. He's on the first page, 612-001.
That's here. Okay.
Yeah, he's on.
Carlos
I just saw him.
Degollado. Carlos
He's on.
Degollado, are you here? I
He's
see you.
muted,
All
Judge.
right. Dressed in blue. Reset 14 times. Mr. Reeves, what are you doing this morning?
We're ready for trial, Judge.
Defense is ready. All right. We will have a trial Wednesday. I don't know which one it's going to be. All right. Are you going to, you want me to excuse you now or you'll be on call Wednesday?
So we're returning on Wednesday, or I'll get a call from Ms. Flores later today once it settles out.
Well, that makes sense. Ms. Flores,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Reeves is on call for jury trial Wednesday. Let's see who goes. Somebody will for sure.
Okay.
You'll be on call, Mr. Reeves.
Thank you, Judge.
Your announcement is that you're ready, although I don't require an announcement from defense until the state is announced, but the state is not available right now. I am minus prosecutors. One has COVID, the other one is sitting in jail court.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll be in touch. You
Thank
and Mr. Degollado, you're excused, but be aware that you may be here Wednesday for trial.
Thank you.
Mr. Carlos Martinez,
Yes, Your Honor.
case number
662558, page 4, Jacob Armstrong.
Jacob Armstrong. Is he present?
It's my understanding he is, Your Honor.
Yes, he is.
All right.
The login is under what name?
Good morning. I've got you present. This has been reset 8 times. You're kind of down the line, but you are set for jury trial. We don't know what the state is announcing, so we'll get you. Do you want to confer at all? Right now, we don't have anybody to confer with whom you couldn't confer.
Yeah, Judge, I would try to get a reset, but I'll wait to see if the prosecutor, I'll try to reach out to the prosecutor, Judge.
All right. At this time, you're excused. We will be contacting you to give you a new date when we reset you, if we reset you.
Okay, Judge, thank you. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. You and Mr. Armstrong, both. Thank you both for being here on time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Ayon, Marisa.
Good morning, Judge. I have
Good
Michael
morning.
Tatum. I have Michael Tatum, case number 664104, and he is present on Zoom.
I'm here, Judge. 664-104. Michael Tatum. Good morning to you, Michael.
Good morning.
You're set for jury trial. You've been reset 9 times. Again, we have no state to confer with. Do you want to stick around, Ms. Ayon, or we'll get back to you later?
Judge, if I have another court to attend to, if I can go and come back, and if Mr. Tatum can be excused.
Mr. Tatum, your attorney will be trying to do some work for you. Stay in communication with her because you may be up for trial on Wednesday.
All righty, sir.
In the meantime, you're excused. Have a good day. Have a
You
good
too, thank you.
weekend.
You too.
Thank you, Judge, and I'll be back a little bit later.
Adrian Perez. Whatever.
Sorry,
you try to-
Judge, I couldn't
There
find-
you go.
Sorry,
You're
Judge.
unmuted. What you got?
Joseph.
Case number, Mr. Perez.
665-900. He's on page.
I'm not hearing you. It sounds like you're in a barrel somewhere.
665-900, page 4, Judge.
665-900. Joseph Garza.
Yes, sir. He should be logged on.
Right.
He should be. Is he? There
Yes,
he is.
sir, he is.
Good morning, Mr. Garza.
Morning.
Mr. Perez, are you going to try and stick around, or you want me to? You want us to give you a new date because you're way down the line?
Yeah, yes, sir. If you don't mind, it's going to be a trial for sure, but we're way down the line, as you said. I would like a new date, Your Honor, please.
All right. Now be aware that we may have you on call. I've had as many as 10 or 12 people that were supposed to go to trial, and then they puke out on me, and I wind up with no trial. I lose the jury panel. So I'm gonna give you a date, but you'll be on call anyway.
Yes, sir.
All right. Linda gave him the next trial setting date.
September 16th.
Yes, sir.
You're excused, Mr. Garza. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Jonathan Chavez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here on Martin Rodriguez. I believe he's on page 3, 657024.
657024. Martin Rodriguez, are you present?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Your Honor, he has a felony pending out of the same incident. It's pending out of the 144th District Court.
Right, I see that. Got that noted. All right, it's been reset 12 times. I want you to take a look at that and see if they're gonna do anything to resolve this misdemeanor.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. It's currently, the felony is currently scheduled for next week on the 12th.
Very good. Then Linda, give them a new reset date.
Or when, Judge? Do you want me to do 2 weeks or what do you want me to do?
You're set for what, the 12th of August?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, let's have 2 weeks and see where we're at.
Okay. August the 19th.
Okay, perfect.
George Sherman.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, George. How are you?
I'm fine. I hope you're doing well.
I am alive. Let's put it that way. It's a good start. What you got,
Judge, I
George?
have two ladies on this morning, Regina Castro and Barbara Taylor. I don't see Barbara on the, oh, there she is. She's under Law Office's iPad. That's me, but that's Miss Taylor.
George, I had, let's see. Regina Castro.
Yes, she's here.
Regina Castro, where are you?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Castro. George, this has been reset 14 times.
I know. I want to confer about this and Miss Taylor's case.
We will try and have the state call you back because one of them has got COVID. The other one is they got him at the jail court this morning. So I don't need to have you just sit here and waste your time. Time is valuable, I know.
Yes, sir. Ms. Castro's case, you're right. I'm trying to resolve that one. It's an old case. So if I can't get it resolved, then we'll have to set it for a trial.
All right. Linda?
Yes, sir.
Make a note to have Kenny contact Mr. Sherman.
Okay.
Not George Sherman, but George Sherman II.
Yes, that's right.
We want to get the right one here. What's the other one, George?
Well, it's Barbara Taylor.
644-823, the bottom of page 2, Judge. Well, not the very bottom, but like the third to the last.
Yeah, I see it. And Barbara Taylor.
Ms.
I see
Taylor,
her on my screen.
turn on your
Right.
microphone.
It's okay.
Yeah, she's okay. I see her.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Taylor.
Good morning.
All right, George, what you doing on this one? You're going to try and confirm
Well,
this?
it's kind of the same thing. I'm going to have to confer about it because I think we've got all of the discovery on Miss Taylor's case now, and we do on Miss Castro as well. So if we can't work it out, then we'll set it for a trial.
All right, for right now, we're going to reschedule you for 30 days.
Yes.
That way we can decide what's going to happen.
Yes, sir.
And everybody should keep in mind that I'm through here on December 31st. So actually, probably before that, because with the holidays and stuff, there ain't going to be a whole lot of work being done at the end there. All right. Y'all are excused, Ms. Taylor. Thank you for being here. And Ms. Castro.
Mr.
Thank you for
Sherman,
being here.
September 16th.
September 16th. I'll put down 9/16.
Okay.
Thank you, Linda. Judge,
welcome.
have a great weekend.
You too. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.
Regina, you're free to
Do we
go.
have any other defense attorneys?
Ulstersdorf.
James Oltersdorf. How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. I know you got
Yes,
sick for
sir.
a
A
little bit.
lot of felonies. I'm down there every day, but I'm here at home today. I have a Eric Renteria. He's under the name Eric on your screen. And I don't have his case number in front of me, but Mr. Renteria has an offer in the file. And the DA should be able to, when they return, come back and do this plea if you want them to. Because Mr. Renteria, the offer is only left open for a period. I'm sure because the DAs are not available today, they'd leave it open until next week. But he wants to enter a plea based on what he was offered when we were in court 30 days ago or so. And he's on the screen. So that's where we stand on Mr. Eric Renteria.
462, page 3, Judge.
Yeah, I've got it already.
Okay.
You want to put him on the plea date?
Yes, sir, but we just want to make sure that the DA understands that we've showed up ready, willing, and able to plead on the day that, because it was a different prosecutor. It was Daryl Harris, the supervisor, put the cutoff date in there. I'm not sure why he did that, maybe just for
James,
purposes.
you finally shook the COVID? I know you had it, right?
No, I never have. I've managed to stay away from it. I wound up in the hospital fainting. I had a transthemic attack back in April, but I'm fine.
Well, I know you were very sick. You were out for a month
Yeah,
or two.
I kind of collapsed during a Zoom and with Judge Boyd, and they took me to the hospital and X-rayed my brain and found nothing. As Yogi Berra would say, and I had my heart checked out, and my heart is not the problem. And I think a transthemic attack is like a little tiny blood clot that is not really a stroke. It just sits there for a second or two because I woke up in the ambulance.
Wow.
So, but I was kind of,
we had a Yogi Berra here. His name
Yeah.
was Paul Elizondo.
oh yes,
The commissioner had all kinds of funny things he'd
I
say.
used to love to talk to him outside. He'd be walking around and I'd always make sure I ran into him or went over and saw him. He'd all be waiting for his ride outside.
Yeah. I heard one of his favorite expressions was he'd tell somebody, "I've taught you everything you know, and you don't know nothing."
Get that to me. Yeah.
All right, Jim, good to
Yes,
see you. I'm glad you're doing well.
Sure, thank you. Just not sure what you want to do at this point. Mr. Renteria is on, like I said, do we need to tell the DA? I could probably make it back Tuesday. I have a impact court felony on Monday, and that may keep me over there.
Linda will give you a specific date in a minute.
Okay.
August 11th, next Thursday at 1 o'clock. It's in person.
At 1 o'clock.
In person.
Mr. Renteria, do you hear that? Is that okay with you?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Okay,
And-
1 p.m. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
1 p.m. in person.
In person, okay.
In courtroom, okay?
We'll figure out a way to be there. Thank you.
Get all your paperwork done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, next, do I have any more attorneys?
I believe we're done with the attorneys, Judge.
All right, then I'm going to call the regular docket, see who we got here. Case number 424-869, State versus Monica Carmona.
She made payment, Judge.
All right, up to date, everything looking good.
Yes.
574048, State versus David Drew. That's Paul Goki.
Actually, Judge, we're gonna reset this one. This is the one he talked to you about, a plea that he lives out of state.
So it'll be a special setting for plea?
Yes.
All right, get that done, because that's
Yes.
been reset 20 times.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. Galindo is reset. That's for a plea, right?
Galindo, yes, yes.
Then we have 615113, State versus Elisa Lopez, attorney, Stacy Kraus. Elisa Lopez. failure to appear. Elisa
No, I'm
Kraus,
here.
Ms.
Hello?
Lopez. Hello,
Yes. Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but where are you? Oh, there you are. Elisa J is what your screen says. Very good. I'm glad you're here, ma'am. Have you heard from your attorney, Stacy Kraus?
She was messaging me earlier. She should be here.
Have you heard from her, Linda?
I haven't heard from her. Let me check my emails real quick. No, I haven't gotten an email from her.
All right, well, stick around, Ms. Lopez.
Okay.
627-834, State versus Mario Sandoval, attorney. David Garcia.
He is president of quorum, Judge.
Good morning, David. Good morning, Mr. Sandoval.
We'll confer, Judge, if you can throw me in a room with a prosecutor when you get a chance.
Okay.
Kenny's here, Judge.
Let me remind you.
No, Kenny's here.
Is Kenny in now?
Yes, he
Judge,
is.
I am so sorry. Joe Court ran over.
I understand. You know, you don't work for me directly. You work for your DA. He sent you to jail court. I have no control. All right. David Garcia wishes to confirm.
I already put him in. Kenny, I already have people in breakout rooms for you.
Thanks, Judge. Thanks, Linda.
All right, sir.
Welcome.
David, just to point out, this has been reset 13 times. It is on the jury docket, so somebody's going to trial Wednesday. 628-932, State versus Dimitri Simonenko.
Good morning, Judge. This is Alfonso Cabañas. I'm present for Mr. Simonenko.
Good morning, Mr. Cabañas. Mr. Simonenko, is he present?
Yes.
How's it going, Judge?
I'm well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well.
All right, glad to hear that. Mr. Cabañas, what are you doing on this one? You going to confer?
No, Judge, it's a trial setting. We're going to keep it on the trial docket.
All right. Remain on call docket. You may be, well, you'll be on call because I've had a whole bunch of people that'll come in here for a jury trial and then they puke out, or the state does, and then I have no trial. So you guys are going to have to be ready.
Are you ready, Mr. Cabana?
Yes, Ms. Flores, we're ready.
Okay.
Very good. All right. 631-426, State versus Hector Santana, attorney. Johnny Cisneros. Hector Santana.
No response, Judge.
He is failure to appear then. And Johnny Cisneros likewise. 634-760, State versus Travis Houston, attorney. David Cuellar.
No response.
Failure to appear on both scores. 640-595, State versus Rosendo Sanchez, attorney. Ruben
Here,
Flores.
sir.
Mr. Sanchez, where are you? Wave your hand or something. There you are. You're not under Sanchez, you're U31A88. What the world is that?
I don't know. I guess my phone like that.
There you go. Now I see you. Now it has your name in there. Rosendo Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
Are you in communication with Ruben Flores?
Yeah, he told me that I got a Zoom that he'll be on right now in a minute.
Okay, right now he's not, so we'll have to wait for him.
All right.
Stick around. 645-966, State versus Larry Stroman, attorney. David Cuellar. That's a repeat. No David Cuellar. Larry Stroman.
No response, Judge.
He is a failure to appear. 649-164, State versus Adam Acosta, attorney. Andrea Matos.
This is the one that the defendant's in custody in Atascosa County.
Oh, yeah. All right, make a note of that and let's see what we're gonna do with it. Find out if it's a felony that he's on over there. or
Okay, Judge.
Misdemeanor.
All righty.
Next page. Six, 56891 State versus Charles Gracia. Attorney, join, okay, Mr. Altendorf.
I'll call him on that one.
All right. Charles Gracia,
Present in the courtroom, Judge.
he is in the courtroom. Very good.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Grabowski.
You're welcome, sir.
659-864 State versus Jose Compian. Attorney Luis Martinez.
I'll have to call him because I don't know if he's still in trial.
It's not like him not to say something or
Yeah.
contact us. Anyway, Jose Compian is a fugitive and apparently he continues to be.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a failure to appear. Next page. Six, 208 State versus Aaron Lopez. I thought we called that.
No.
Derek Emmons.
Aaron Lopez here, sir.
Pardon me?
I'm right here, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Have you heard from your attorney?
He sent me a link earlier yesterday, but I logged in at 9 o'clock and I've just been waiting here since.
All right. He is not contacted. Has he contacted you, Linda?
No, sir.
All right, that's it for that page. Going to page 5. In the home stretch. 669-622 State versus Ernestina Cantu, the attorney, Joe Stenberg.
I'm right here, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Cantu.
Good morning, sir.
Have you heard from your attorney this morning?
No, I haven't.
All right, then we show him no response. Okay, one final, 678-326 State versus Michael Santos, attorney, Joe Stenberg. Same, no answer for that. How about
He's in custody, Judge.
Mr. Santos is in custody, so he is here. Mr. Stenberg is not responding. And that's it for the day's docket. Is there anybody that thought their name should have been called? Or you're checking in late with me and you have not heard your name called? Would you show me your hand or something? Let's see. Daryl Bearfield.
Mr. Bearfield, sir, I do believe he was on our docket yesterday, if my mind serves me correctly.
Okay, Mr. Bearfield, I think you're late one day, but do you happen to know your case number? You're muted, sir.
Judge, it's 679417.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. That's from yesterday, Linda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Bearfield, we're gonna let you get in touch with your attorney because you didn't show up yesterday. It was set for yesterday. I note that you are here. We will not issue a warrant for you.
Thank you, sir.
But make sure you're here on the next go around when we give you a new date.
Yes,
Linda,
sir.
you want to give him a date?
Yes, Judge, what do you want me to give him? 30 days, 3 weeks, 2 weeks? What do you want me to give him?
Let's give him 2 weeks since he missed you yesterday.
Okay,
And see if we can get him in here and get him back on schedule.
August the 18th. Sorry, Mr. Bearfield.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
August the 18th.
yes, sir. On Zoom at 9 o'clock.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Judge.
All right, you take care of yourself. Get in touch with your lawyer. Let him know that you've got a new date. We'll also let him know too.
August 18th.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Rick Ramos, attorney.
Hey, Judge, I'm back on Mr. Brandon Reyna, case number 644664. I've conferred with Kenny on that matter, Your Honor. I'll be looking, he's going to re-upload the videos that weren't working. So we'll take a look at those, and then we'll be able to give the court an answer as far as whether this will be resolved or a trial in our next setting, Your Honor, as long as I can.
We all agreed on how much time you're going to take, because this is a jury setting.
I know he said he was going to do it today, Judge. I just don't know if it's going to work. The issue with it is they've uploaded them before, Your Honor, and the video shows is blue. There's nothing on it. So I don't know if that's an issue from the upload or SAPD issue, if they're going to need to resend it. So if we can get a 2-week reset, Judge, I think we could sort that out 2 to 3 weeks.
We'll do a 2-week reset, Linda.
Okay, August the 19th.
That'll work for us.
Okay, Mr. Ramos, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you. May my client be excused as well, Your Honor?
Of course. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
Daniela Vasquez.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I apparently had a court date set for August 2nd. I didn't know because I had just went to court July 25th, but I'm in the process of hiring an attorney.
We'll recall you in 2 weeks. Come in with your
Yes.
attorney.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Do you know your case number by chance?
I do not know it.
Okay,
Do
give
you have
me.
you got Linda, get on chat with her and get her date of birth so you can
Okay.
check it down.
Yeah, Miss Vasquez, chat me your date of birth and a phone number so I can get in contact with you.
Okay, will do.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Michael Belichick.
I'm back from the breakout room talking to the state on Crystal Sanchez, which is on your last page, 671436. And the last time we were here, there were still co-bans to be uploaded. Now they've been viewed and looked at. And the state and I are in pretty much agreement that Ms. Sanchez needs to be referred to mental health court. I can go down and get the paperwork filled out to try to accomplish that probably Monday morning.
Let's get it done.
Okay, thank you, Judge, because she's already being treated at Center for Healthcare Services, and I think that she needs this to keep her on track too. Okay.
I appreciate you being conscientious about it.
Just come back. Just come to the office. I have the stuff here and I'll send it for you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I may be there today without a suit and tie on, or I may be there Monday when I have 100 other things to be in. Okay.
Michael, just to remind you, until September sometime, I have a relaxed dress code. You don't need a coat and tie. Unless you have a jury. If you got a jury, you better wear a coat and tie.
Thank you, Judge. Stay cool.
I'll try. Let's see. Ms. Vasquez, did you still need to talk to me? Daniela Vasquez.
Can I get off, Judge?
Who?
Crystal Sanchez?
Crystal Sanchez, yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Take care, ma'am. I hope you do better.
Crystal Sanchez, who's Crystal Sanchez?
That's Mr. Belichick's client.
Oh, okay. Miss Vasquez, I have your information. I will be calling you.
All right.
Okay.
Derek Ritchie, or I see you sitting there. You still waiting?
Yeah, I just come back from speaking with Kenny, Judge.
You have a report?
Yes, we've agreed to reset it for 45 days for a referral for mental health court.
How about giving me a case number?
Oh, sorry. It's
653-129.
Linda beat me.
653-129?
Yes, sir.
Must be on page 3 because I'm on 2 and 4 and it's not there. 653. 129. There you go. Reset 45.
Yes, please, Judge.
45, okay. Mr. Ritchie, is there a way you can come by so you can fill out what you need to and I can send it to for you to mental health?
Yes, I can come by Monday. Is that okay?
Oh, that's fine. September 30th. And then I need to get in contact with you about Margarito Rocha about resetting his plea.
Yeah, we're probably going to withdraw from that. From after what happened yesterday, we're probably going to withdraw from that one.
Okay, so you're gonna withdraw. Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, sir, of course. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Anybody else need to check in? And Ms. Barajas, good morning to you. You have that perpetual smile.
I'm sorry, Judge. Good morning. I was on mute. Sorry about that.
You're in San Francisco?
So I'm sorry, Judge. I usually have another background on. I changed it for last night. Let me change it back.
Oh, you don't need to. Don't worry about it. I've had that before myself as a judge. I've used that background.
As long as we stay away from the kitty filters, I think we'll be okay.
All right. All right. Anybody else need to check in or say howdy? Okay. Mr. Castillo, Ray Castillo. You're muted. I don't hear you.
Yes,
There
sir.
you go. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Which case are we talking about on your situation?
666-132.
666. Ooh, the devil. The devil made you do it, huh? 66613. There it is. Bottom of page 4.
Mr. Rocha is my attorney, sir.
Okay.
Right.
So Mr. Rocha's in trial. He just started trial in the 379. I need to contact his office to see about resetting you. So keep in contact with the office, okay?
With Mr. Rocha, you mean?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Castillo, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Rocha's office will give you the new date. Stay in communication with him and we'll see you next time.
Correct, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day, sir.
You too. Have a good weekend too.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Salinas, the same thing with you. If you heard me, Mr. Rocha is in trial in the 379. Keep in contact with the office for your new reset date.
Okay, thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Linda.
Yeah.
David Garcia.
Good morning, Judge. If I can have you all throw me in a breakout room with my client who's in the courtroom.
All right. Linda, can you make that happen?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge. Do I wait for my lawyer?
Who's your lawyer?
Derek Emmons, sir.
Yes, sir. You're gonna have to wait for him.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Just wondering.
David, go back. David, go back to 5 and I'm gonna put your client in there with you.
Thanks, Linda.
Ruben Flores is on, Judge.
Ruben Flores, buenas tardes.
Good morning, Judge. I have a Rosendo Sanchez. He's got 3 cases. The oldest one is 640595.
There it is.
And we're ready on all the cases, Judge.
Rosendo Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
I think he was here, yes.
Yes, he's here, Judge.
Defense is ready. You've been reset 13 times, so you're bubbling up to the top. You might go to trial Wednesday. We'll let you know for sure, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir. We'll be ready.
Very good. We'll recall you Wednesday. You're on call.
And that's in person, correct, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear that, Rosendo?
Yes, sir.
Wednesday morning. I'm sorry, Wednesday at 1:30.
At 1:30, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's
Send
when
it.
we'll have
I'll
a
talk to
jury
you.
panel come in.
Yes, sir. I'll call you later, Rosendo.
All right, thank you,
Maybe
sir.
we ex- maybe we
Just
be
call him,
excused,
just
Judge.
call him Rosendo. You don't have to call him later.
Judge, can we be excused?
Yes, sir. You both excused. Thank you.
Have a good weekend, Judge.
You too. Take care of yourself. Linda, what do we have this afternoon?
We don't have anything this afternoon, Judge.
What?
It's Friday, Judge.
Alfonso Cabañas. How
Your
you
Honor, good
doing, Alfonso?
morning. I'm well, Judge. Thank you. I just wanted to confirm my client Simonenko and I appeared this morning. We announced ready for trial. And I wasn't sure if the court excused me until next Wednesday at 1:30, so I didn't want to leave.
Give me your case number.
Yes, Your Honor.
628-932.
628. That's on page. There you are. All right.
Penny,
sure you-
ready?
Linda, that is a ADA Vance case. I am not sure we'll both be back by Wednesday because he texted me this morning and he's extremely ill.
Yeah, he's got that COVID business.
But it can be before.
So this is, you say this is a Vance case, so you
Yes,
cannot announce ready?
I cannot because I'm not sure where ADA Vance is in a trial.
All right, Mr. Cabañas.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's show you a little courtesy. We're gonna recall this on the trial docket. I'm not gonna have you come in Wednesday. Mr. Vance is very ill, and even if he shows up Wednesday, he's probably not gonna be able to perform well.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll have to reset that. Your DA got COVID. I'm sure
Okay.
you don't want to be in his immediate presence.
I hope he gets better from it, Judge. I really do.
I know you do. We appreciate that. We'll try and convey that to Mr. Vance, Mr. Delco.
Yes, Judge, we're both down and out.
Are you sick too?
I am
Kenny?
also sick. I don't have COVID though. I just have the flu. So
I hope you get better too, Kenny. Yeah, take care of yourselves, man.
yeah,
You don't have COVID. You just have what?
I just have the flu.
Oh, that's all you have, huh?
Flu season, I don't.
You better sure as hell stay out of my office.
Linda's gonna be spraying the sanitizer every time I walk through.
Kenny, why are you at work? Why aren't you home recuperating?
I'm home. I'm working from home. It's just that we're short a lot of prosecutors.
You know,
so
I appreciate I appreciate that you are dedicated, but I'll tell you what, if I got the flu, there ain't no way in hell you're gonna get me to work. To be blunt, I have more sense. Stacy Kraus decided to join us. Good afternoon, Ms. Kraus.
I have Alyssa Lopez, Judge. This
Yes,
is
you
a county
do,
court
and she
two
was here
transfer.
promptly at 9 and you were not. Where you been?
In other courts, Judge. I had other courts.
Uh-huh. The other courts are more important. I understand, even though this one is jury setting.
Judge, it's not a jury setting. I know it appears that way, but this is a county court two transfer.
Okay, so what are you doing this morning?
I'd like to confer.
You will confer. Very good.
Thank you.
And Ms. Elisa Lopez, you're gonna have her wait for you?
She can be excused, Judge. Nothing is going to happen today.
Ms. Lopez, you've been here on time, and I personally appreciate that. We're gonna excuse you now, but stay in communication with Ms. Kraus.
Yes,
She knows
sir.
what she's
Thank
doing.
you.
She knows what she's doing, but she gave other courts more importance.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
Kenny, you have Mike Baird, David Garcia, and Stacy Kraus in waiting room.
All right. Anybody else checking in? Ernestina Cantu, what are you doing today? I know you already checked in. You waiting for your attorney?
Yes, I'm still waiting for him, Judge.
Who are we waiting for in your case? Who's your attorney?
Joe Stimberg, I believe.
Oh, yeah,
okay. All right, let me try
the
calling.
late Joe Stumberg.
I had tried calling him to his office before because my number had changed and I left him a voicemail, but he never returned my call.
Well, to be honest with you, have to take that up with him. I know that sometimes I'd have to get up to, I've been lawyering 49 years, and sometimes I'd get up to 10, 20 calls in one day, and if you give each one 5 minutes, you got trouble. So, so that's not an excuse. You talk to him about it. Tell him what you expect, and
Yes, sir.
away you go. Stick around, man.
Yes, yes, sir.
You got some fresh coffee somewhere in your car?
Yes, sir.
Go pull up to a Starbucks or something. Pay $5 for a 25-cent cup of coffee. See, the court reporter thinks it's funny too. She's smiling.
Yeah, I see her.
I see you. Okay. Anybody else checking in? We're down to the nub, Linda.
Yes, we are. Judge?
We have not heard from Stemberg.
No, I tried calling him and it went to voicemail.
Mira.
Mm.
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Okay, so we got Miss Cantu, we got Aaron Lopez, and that's the only ones that are sitting here waiting.
That's it, yeah. Judge, if the prosecutors aren't going to be able to do the trials, do you want me to reset them all to September 16th? That's our next trial date.
To what day?
September 16th.
No.
No.
The ones with the big numbers,
Mm-hmm.
I want those, like Goki and
Well, Goki is going to be a plea and Robert Johnson is also a plea.
okay, well, that takes care of it. How about wild number?
James Reeves.
That one's been reset 14, and we have 2 13s, 3 13s. Next page, we have 11s, 13, 11.
Mm-hmm. Well, Johnny's and Guayard were FTAs. Ruben Flores would be one.
Yeah.
Let's see, on page 1, it would be Reeves and Philip Craig. Oh no, that's going to be a motion to suppress.
All right, we'll work that out in a little while.
Okay.
All right. I guess we'll just be in recess then.
Okay.
I'll be here. I'm gonna warm up my cold cup of coffee.
Okay.
Ms. Grabowski, you got your coffee there?
I think she stepped away.
Well, how's she gonna protect me if she's not there?
Judge Stacy's back. Judge?
Is Stacy Cross back?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
What's that blue ribbon showing? The host has opened.
Huh?
Break up. There's a blue tag here. Never mind.
I did, okay.
All right. Ms. Kraus.
Yes, Judge. So I just need a regular reset. This isn't intended to be a trial. And we'll have probably a resolution by the next setting, Judge.
All right. Reset it to the trial docket, Ms.
No,
Linda.
it wasn't supposed to be on the trial docket. This is a transfer from 2.
Oh.
Yeah, just a
Over the-
regular reset,
over
Judge,
the-
please.
Over the strenuous objection of Ms. Kraus, I know. All right, so then we'll put it on the trial docket.
No,
What?
Just a regular reset, Judge,
just a
please.
regular reset. County Court 2 had it for jury trial.
Oh. All right, it's been reset 7 times. Bump it along, Ms. Kraus. Let's
I
see
don't
what we
think
do.
it's actually been reset 7 times, Judge, because it came from County Court 2.
Not here, obviously, but
Yeah, no, I don't remember exactly what was going on, but I doubt it was that.
all right, we'll give you a 30-day reset and go from there.
Thank you, Judge.
September 16th, Stacy.
Okay, thanks, Linda.
Yes, he says. All right.
May I be excused?
Of course, you and your
Thank
client
you.
both.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Oh, you're on a bumpy road, Miss Cantu. Tell your driver to take it easy.
It's my fiance. They told me I couldn't drive.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So you better not be on the screen driving, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Somebody's thinking.
I don't need to get into any more trouble.
Right. So, okay, then I'll be in recess for at least 15 minutes, Linda.
Okay, Judge.
Okay, Linda, who do we all have on? Can I get an email with the who's on the trial docket for Wednesday, just in case I'm back?
Well, so far I have for Wednesday, let's see, I have 612001. Are you ready on that one?
Who is that?
It's on the first page. It's Carlos de Golado.
One of the officers is out of town, I believe.
So state not ready.
Yeah,
Okay, so we can reset that one.
yeah, because the officer is out of town.
Okay,
At least I think that's the one where the officer is out of town.
okay, so
I'll call you if I double check and it's not him.
okay. Next one would be 626133. Well, let me call, hold on, let me do something. Hold on. I was thinking that Philip Craig, but that's an even number, so we don't know if state's probably not ready. Kenny?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay, so then the next one for Jew would be damn, they're all even. Oh, 640595, page 2, Rosendo Sanchez.
I know that we're proceeding on one, at least one of them, but I have to go back and check my notes when everybody leaves for the day so that I can and I'll let you know Monday.
Okay, and oh, that's gonna go to mental health. Actually, they're all even numbers. They're all even.
So they're all advanced cases. Yeah.
Those were the only two. Oh, wait. Well, did I tell you 626133 Francisco Lopez?
Who is the attorney on that?
Tony Jimenez.
I don't even think I've ever conferred with him on this case. Did he show up today?
Yes, he did.
What was his announcement?
Ready.
What was his announcement? Okay. Let me send me an email with that one and I'll double check. Because maybe it was I know that when I called the liaison, they told me at least 2 officers that I needed were on vacation.
Okay. So do you need me to just send you his info?
Just send me the case number and which ones are going that are mine, and then I'll double check when everybody leaves the office today.
Okay, well, I only have that one really because the rest were all what do you call it?
Vances, yeah.
Mhm. Okay, I think, you know what, that looks like to be the only one for you. All the other ones are, oh, besides, oh, well, you've already announced not ready on
On which one?
James Reeves one,
James Reeves. What was his case number again?
612001.
Oh, yeah, the officer I think is out of town, but I'm gonna double check. I may change my announcement once I get to see my notes for that one.
So do you want me to add that one to the list?
Just send me an email and then I'll confirm and I'll email you back ready or not ready. Because I've already started prepping Joe Stenberg's, but I don't even know if he's showing up. He was the special setting.
Yeah, he's the special setting, but he also has somebody else on the dock. Oh, Marisa Ayon wanted to confirm with you, I think.
Okay.
She's just logging back on.
Who is this Mike Beard person? Because like I went in their breakout room and they've never shown up, so I don't.
Yeah, they're in, hold on, give me a second. Um,
I'm gonna go talk with Miss
he's
Ihon.
on, wait, he's in, you need to talk to him first. He's on page 1626762.
I know, but he like never showed up. Like he's not like I went in there 3 times and he's never been in. Like he's there, but I don't know what's going on. So maybe he's in another Zoom docket. So I'm gonna go talk to Marisa first.
Okay, all right.
Hello, Linda, are you there by chance?
Yes.
I'm here on Aaron Lopez.
Page 4, Linda.
Did you want to get into, oh no, you're gonna go to mental health, right?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm sorry, looking at the wrong one. Okay, so what did you want to do? Kevin, Kenny's back. Did you want to confer with him?
Sure, I'll confirm.
Okay, give me a second.
Awesome, thank you.
Mhm.
Then Linda, I'm ready to announce whenever you're ready on Mario Sandoval.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Garcia, what are we doing?
So on that, I have an offer from Kenny. Actually, it's from Ms. Haas. You can set us for trial, and he wants to think about it, and I'll go over some stuff with him. And it may be a disposition of a plea, but it's up to you whether you want to set us for a conference or for a trial.
That's on Mario Sandoval, right?
Yes,
Okay,
whatever works better for you.
well, if you think he's gonna take the plea, we can reset, like, how about 2 weeks to find out, and then if not, we can put you back on the trial docket?
Yeah, why don't we do that?
Okay, so August the 19th.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I'll call him and let him know if he doesn't hear it.
Okay,
Thanks.
you're welcome.
Y'all have a great day. Take care, Judge.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
on Paul Gokey's case, I've got a waiver of consent to plead by Zoom.
Yes.
In the Adobe, though, it's got my judge's notes. It's got all kinds of stuff, and I have no idea. For example, is there going to be? It's a DWI with BAC. So, is the agreement? I don't have the agreement, so is there going to be an amendment?
We would have to ask Kenny that question.
Kenneth Delco.
Yeah, he's in a breakout room, Judge.
All right. Then I'll have to wait because this is the only thing I've got on the computer right now.
Okay.
Linda?
Ms. Grabowski.
Morning,
¿Qué
Judge.
pasó?
No, I was just had a question in regards to a defendant that is here in the courtroom and regarding Mr. Ultrastor.
Who's the defendant?
Page 3. 656-891.
Let me call him real quick.
Gracias.
Give me 1 second. Okay.
Thank you.
So what happened when I blinked? What happened? On Gracia, Linda?
I don't think Jim realized he had another client on the docket today. So I'm gonna call him and see what we're gonna do with that one.
On Oltersdorf?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Está bueno. Ms. Ayon?
Yes, Judge, I was on the trial docket this morning. I just came back to confer with Kenny. We haven't reached a resolution. I didn't know if I needed to get a court reset or if or how the
What's the,
court wanted us to.
what's the case number?
It is 664104.
664. That's on page 4. There it is. So what is the resolution?
We don't have a resolution at this time, Your Honor.
So you'll remain on the jury docket.
Yes.
You're on call for Wednesday.
Judge, can we get a regular reset for that one? Because I think it's going to be some type of agreement, but it's not going to be reached by Wednesday.
All right. Linda, place it on the next jury call.
Okay. September 16th.
You got it, Miss Ayo?
16 de septiembre, Judge.
That's right. You're going to celebrate here with a jury call docket.
Freedom for freedom. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you very much.
You take care.
Y'all have a good weekend.
You too. Mike Baird.
Kenny, Mr. Baird is back.
Okay, I'll go back into that
Yes.
breakout room.
Okay. Mr. Baird, go ahead and go back to the breakout room you were in.
Okay.
Hey,
Thank you very
Kenny,
much.
before you do that, Ken, is he gone already?
No, Judge, he's still there. Oh, well, no, he left.
He was.
He was.
Kenny? No. Why don't I see Deputy Grabowski? All I see is a blank. There you are. How are you? You're muted.
Okay, good morning, Judge. I'm doing good, thank you.
That's good. What's happening? How's Mr. Grabowski doing?
Last, right now, he's where's he heading to? He's heading to San Diego right now.
What?
I know, and I'm here at work.
He's where?
Heading to, he's heading over there to the West Coast, San Diego.
So why aren't you with him?
I wish I was over there, Judge. It's work. It's work for him.
San Diego's a pretty city.
It is. It actually
Okay.
is. I was there like 2 years ago. It's pretty good. I like it. The beaches are
Got
awesome.
those big old ships that you get to get on.
Yes, yes, we did that. And we did the ferry and we did all that stuff when we were over there.
Neato. They got that old sailboat right on the dock too.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Mike, go back to the break room where I had, oh, I can't. Hold on, give me a second. I just remembered.
So when did you already get vacation, Michelle?
I start my vacation in 2 weeks. I'll be out a week.
1 week?
Yeah, well, I leave on the 19th is my last day and I'm back on the 29th of August.
Well, that's a little more than a week.
Yeah.
What,
including
2
the
weeks,
weekends.
2 weekends and a work week?
Yes, sir. Well needed.
What are your plans?
Vegas,
Huh?
Vegas. We're
I
going to
didn't understand.
Vegas. We're going to Vegas, then New York, and then heading
Really?
back.
How neat.
Yes, definitely.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful time.
So if I never make it back, Judge, it's because I hit it big in Vegas, but I will send you a postcard.
Bertram Wood.
Good morning, Judge. Is there a chance I could talk with Linda?
Sure there is. Two chances, slim and none.
Oh, okay.
Hold on a second. Linda,
Yes, I'm right here.
Bo wants to talk to you.
Sure. What's up, Bo?
He's right in the middle of a little pond, so
Yeah,
wait,
I'm
put on your
bobbing for the
waders.
third time. Linda, I had a lady who sat on Monday in your court, and today was the felony, and the felony is going to be pushed to the 12th. So I was going to try to move Monday the 8th, if I could. Just go ahead, because we're not going to do anything, I don't think, Monday on the misdemeanor if I've got two felonies over in 437th. Could I give you a number?
Yes.
You mean to do this by email? Would this be simpler?
Is this this isn't on Darren Parker, is it?
No, it's a lady named Mars, Jennifer Mars.
Oh, I found her. Okay, so her felonies got pushed to when?
The 12th, August 12th, I guess next week, Friday or something. So I thought if you just same date if you want, or just push it out further.
We can push it out at least until the 12th. How about August 15th?
Perfect.
Okay,
All right, so no on tomorrow, I mean on Monday.
yes.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Linda.
Uh-huh.
Good to see you. Have a great weekend.
You too, bye.
Bye-bye.
Derek Emmons, what you got?
Morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm okay.
I have
You
Aaron
got
Lopez.
Aaron Lopez.
Correct. And I believe he's logged in. I saw him logged in earlier. He has two charges, Judge. I spoke with one of the ADAs, and apparently the cases are the other ADAs, the one that has the COVID. And I don't think he's logged in, so I'm not sure how the court wants to proceed.
Aaron Lopez is here. He's logged
He
in.
is. Yes, he is. He's on Zoom.
So what you got with Aaron? What you doing?
Well, I conferred with one of the ADAs, and they're not his case. They belong to his partner who was out with COVID. And I don't think they've gotten a hold of the complaining witness at all. So I'm not sure where that leaves us.
Well, have you conferred with Ken Delco?
Correct. With Ken, yeah.
Yes.
I'm sorry, say again?
That is correct, yes.
And what's the result of your conferring?
He really couldn't offer much except to say what the previous offer was. It doesn't look like they've been in contact with the complaining witness.
Okay, I hear
There is an
that,
offer
but-
deferred. I'm
So
sorry?
does the state want a reset or what?
That's the impression I'm getting because they're not his cases. They're his partner's case, so he hasn't really worked.
Okay,
them up
this
yet.
is a Vance case.
Yes, correct. Yes, sir.
Linda?
Yes.
Put it on the next trial docket. This is a
Okay.
Vance case. As you know, he's got COVID.
Okay, all right. Mr. Emmons, I'm gonna put you for September the 16th.
Linda, I am supposed to go out of town for my anniversary to San Francisco on that day. I'm flying out that day.
Okay, how about the 23rd?
Oh, wait a minute. What's more important, being a lawyer or being a husband?
Husband.
All right, I'm gonna give you points for that.
But of course, being a lawyer helps me be a good husband because I got to pay the bills, Judge. As you know.
Hey, I'm a lawyer, judge, and husband, and I can tell you, it's not in that order. It's husbands first. Yeah.
Right. The 23rd, Linda, works though.
Okay, we'll do the 23rd then.
Thank you, Judge. It's good seeing you.
Enjoy your anniversary.
I will. Are we going to see you tomorrow night? You going to make an appearance?
Where?
Game dinner?
I'm sorry?
Central Catholic?
What they got going?
They have the wild game dinner tomorrow night.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, I've seen you there before.
I've been there almost every year for the last 10 years. I usually get invited. Apparently somebody forgot to invite me this year.
I would definitely invite you, but I don't have an extra ticket, unfortunately. If you're
Don't worry
interested.
about that. I got to be a little bit careful though, because of my age and my medical issues. So
And
I don't know
COVID is
if I'll
definitely
be-
going around, as we know.
I don't know if I want to go in there and the infectious rate is high again,
It is, yeah.
so
Judge, it's good seeing you.
you take good care. Good luck to you.
You as well. Stay safe. Linda, Judge, is Aaron and I both free to leave?
You and your client are both excused.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Take care. James Oltersdorf.
Yes, sir. It looks like I forgot somebody. I have it on my calendar, but I didn't look close enough. Charles Gracia, may I see the state and see, because I'm looking for an offer and don't see one here from prior visits. So I probably need to check and see if they've gotten anything from the victim and where they stand.
Yours is Gracia, Charles Gracia?
Yes, sir. Gracia.
What happened to him? Is he here?
Yes, sir.
He
Linda
appeared.
says
Yes, he
he's
did.
here. So I
What are you
was
doing on that?
7. Well, I probably need to talk to the state because I do not see an offer, and they may have contacted the victim. I recall Mr. Gracia wanting a trial, I believe. So we probably need to figure out where the state stands on there.
And you are referring to the alleged victim? James?
He went to the breakout room, Judge.
All right.
Judge David Cuellar is on.
Hey, Mom. Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Hi, David.
Hi, Linda. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Travis,
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. I have Travis Houston and Larry Stroman.
That's correct.
Neither one of them appeared.
I'm sorry? Neither one?
One of them appeared for court for docket call.
Okay.
And they were set on the jury trial list, docket, actually.
Right.
So I don't know, you want to hold on for Judge, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. My mom already made her call to check on me. David Cuellar, what's going on?
Yes, sir. Well, I have 2 on your docket. Unfortunately, it looks like neither of them were there for docket call. And I haven't had any contact with them, at least not since the last setting.
David Cuellar, for one, you got Travis Houston. And the other one is Larry Stroman.
Yes,
Neither
sir.
one is present. It's
No, sir.
10:26. Mr. Houston is a failure to appear. It's 10:26. Mr. Stroman is a failure to appear. Well, you've got 1 week to produce them, otherwise there will be a warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Already. And where were you, by the way? You didn't answer on time.
Yeah, I apologize, Your Honor. I started with jail court at 8:30 and that kind of pushed everything back.
Kenny Delco was over there.
Yes, he's there. He was there, Your Honor.
Already.
I'll try and be.
You're excused at this time. If you get him to report, we'll get you a new date.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I am comfortable with proceeding if the court is.
Hi, Linda.
or if not,
Hi. Russ Martinez.
Yes, ma'am.
How can I help you?
I was still on. I had fallen out of the chat earlier. I was just wondering if anything else was needed of me. I know that my lawyer was going to confirm and then ask for another date, but I didn't hear anything about officially being dismissed, so I had hopped back on.
Okay, Michael Baird.
Yes,
You're-
ma'am.
Okay, hold on tight. He is in a breakout room with the prosecutor.
Okay, I just wasn't sure if I needed to still be on or not, so.
Yes, just go ahead and just wait, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Word from Joe Stenberg.
I tried calling him and he's not answering. I mean, it goes straight to voicemail, not that he's not answering. It's going to voicemail. Judge
Yes,
Michael Baird is back.
Yes, I heard my name. I'm sorry.
what you got?
I'm actually on the phone with my client right now, Your Honor. We have an offer, and I think we're gonna have a resolution, but I need just a couple more minutes, if that's okay.
Which case number?
629, he's on the first page.
626-762.
626, sorry.
Linda, say again?
626-762.
Okay. All right. It's gonna be a plea?
Just a moment. Almost. I'm on the phone with my client right now. We're talking it over, but we'll know here in a minute.
Jim?
Yes, I'm back and I've got several numbers here for Mr. Gracia, but if he's on, maybe I could talk to him in the breakout room and see about the offer.
He's actually in the courtroom.
Courtroom, okay, that works. That might explain the phone number problem I'm having.
Okay, so go back to 6 and I will put him in 6 with you.
All right,
Mr.
thank you.
Mr. Gracia, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Not Garcia, Gracia.
Right now it's
Hi, Linda, this is Jim Ultersdorf back from Breakout.
You got, what you got, Jim?
Oh, Judge, I've got an offer that this is Jim Ultersdorf, Mr. Gracia in the courtroom wants to take it, but it involves taking a class. He's enthusiastic about it, and we would need a little reset, maybe 30 days or so for him to complete the class. He is in the courtroom. Charles Gracia.
Yeah.
I got his case number, everything.
He was here promptly at 9. All right.
Different than his lawyer.
We're going to recall you 30 days.
Okay. Is there someone that can tell Mr. Do you know the exact date or?
Yes, September the 16th.
Okay.
Bring your huaraches and your sombrero.
Yes, sir. Can you make sure he knows about that, Linda? Have someone tell him in the courtroom, and I'll go to the 175th.
He was aware of it. He nodded his head that he got the.
Oh, good. Okay. Thank you. That's excellent. September 16th. Thanks, everyone.
Mhm.
Who we got? Jonathan Chavez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm back. I had a question. I have an off-docket matter that I need to approach on. I didn't know the procedure for that on Zoom.
What's your case number?
686-286.
It's what?
686-286.
Not on today's docket.
No, it's an off-docket matter. I was just wanting to approach the court to see how I need to handle that over Zoom.
What were we talking about this? 686-386.
286. It's not on the docket, Your Honor.
Okay. What's the defendant name?
His name is Brian Ramos.
Brian with an I or Y?
Y.
What is the charge?
A DWI.
First?
Second.
You're not the most important part. And you are Joshua or Jonathan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jonathan Chavez.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm with Neil Kalf's office.
And what do we got?
Your Honor, it's a motion to reinstate bond. I think there was some miscommunication. The client was ordered to get either the ignition interlock or the at-home or the portable breathalyzer. He got the portable breathalyzer on the last day that he was supposed to get it. However, I don't know if there was miscommunication, but pretrial turned it in as not getting it.
So ultimately, what are you saying? I didn't quite get your gist. What's going on?
Your Honor, on Brian Ramos's case, He was ordered to get the ignition interlock on his vehicle or the portable breathalyzer. He did on the very last day that he was supposed to get it. However, pre-trial had already violated him for not getting the portable breathalyzer.
Good night. No, this is who?
Brian Ramos, and it's not on the docket.
That's one you're talking about.
Do you have a case number, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, it's 686-386, you said, right?
686-286.
286. So what do we got? What's final?
It's a motion to reinstate bond, Judge.
You guys are on the bond?
Your Honor, I'm actually not sure who is on the bond. I apologize about that.
Your motion,
Yes, I do show that it is the office that's on the bond.
Yes, then, Your Honor.
all right, I'll go ahead and grant that motion. It is already filed.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Linda will grant the motion to reinstate bond.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Ms. Flores. If Joe Stenberg doesn't check in by 11,
Yes, sir,
I'm gonna reset his cases for 2 weeks.
for 2 weeks. Okay.
Your Honor, I have an update now on the Martinez case.
Hold on, man.
Okay.
Judge Michael Baird is back. I'm sorry, Baird.